What's up, YouTube? About to show you how to make some chimichurri from Argentina. All right, here are my ingredients. I got some parsley. I have a spoonful of chili flakes, salt, pepper, oregano, 2 garlic cloves, a full cup of sunflower oil, half a cup of vinegar, half a cup of water. Those are the brands I use in the back. And yeah, first thing we're gonna do is chop up very finely our parsley and our garlic. You got the close-up right there, so you knew what time it was without a watch on the wrist. Look at that. It's dicing time. Make it fine. All right. And next, I'm gonna put all my dry ingredients into my, my little container right there where I'm gonna hold my chimichurri. I'm gonna throw the water in first. Those are all the dry ingredients, and we're gonna mix it up and make sure that the oregano does not look dry. You're gonna mix for a while. Keep it going. It takes a little bit. But you do have to take your time for this. Make sure that the oregano looks hydrated or whatever. Oh, that's a fancy word. I like that. Make sure the oregano looks hydrated and you've been mixing. Then add your red wine vinegar and keep mixing. And I'm going to mix for a bit, 360 with the wrist like Steph Curry. And just make sure, you get in there. It takes like 3 minutes total, so don't be lazy. Then I'm going to throw in my parsley and my garlic. Then add my full cup of sunflower oil and just mix that up. And you want to use sunflower oil. You could use corn oil or vegetable oil, or if you're feeling like a hipster, use some avocado. Just do not use olive oil. It takes over the flavor of the dish, or the salsa, whatever you want to call this thing, and it makes it a little bitter. So do not use olive oil, anything but olive oil. And number one choice will be sunflower oil. There you have it. Super quick, super simple. This is great on top of some nice toasted bread, some rolls, some bolillo. What else? On top of some steak. Goes great with that. And super easy, super quick. The ingredients are super accessible to everybody. Came out half decent.